As an MBA research scholar, publishing is critical. It's not just about fulfilling academic requirements, but sharing insights that could influence business and management strategies. Your work could impact industry practices and set the foundation for future research in areas like finance, marketing, and management. Choosing the right research topic is key. For example, if you're interested in how technology impacts the banking sector, you can explore how digital platforms affect operations. Pick a journal that focuses on business and technology to ensure your work reaches the right audience. When writing your research article, use a clear structure. For instance, title: Impact of Technology on Banking Operations, a case study. Abstract: This study explores how digital platforms have transformed banking services, focusing on operational efficiency and customer interaction. Introduction: Set the background by introducing the topic, such as the rapid growth of digital banking. Literature review: Discuss existing research without copying text from articles. Summarize the main findings and highlight gaps in the research. Methodology: Explain the methods used, like quantitative analysis or case studies. Results and discussion: Present your findings and discuss their relevance to the field. Conclusion: Summarize your key findings and suggest further areas for research. As an MBA research scholar, publishing is critical. It's not just about fulfilling academic requirements, but sharing insights that could influence business and management strategies.